We had such an opportunity over the last couple of years to really respond to what our customers' requirement of a modern, comfortable seating, entertainment, live theatre venue is. And the result that we've got, we are incredibly pleased with. The necessity for this building is that it isn't just a stage. We are much more than just a stage. We are a conference venue, we're an events venue. We have ice skating rings, we have roller skating, we have cars in the building, we have exhibitions, and we do these things regularly all the way through the year. So our space needs to remain as functional and as flexible as possible. So the need really was driven by the business model. I'm still reeling from the reality of actually having a seating bank that goes back in one piece. We did spend quite a lot of time scoping, questioning. I asked several times, are you sure we can do this in one piece? And the confidence level that Hussey actually came back with made us proceed with it. And the reality is that we have a one-piece retractable seating unit on really quite a severe angle that works. We have illuminated treads in as well, which just adds to the ambience of the theatre. We want to create a small environment, a black box effect, but also have the flexibility to bring big standing gigs in as well. And the colour pattern that you see behind me is actually designed so that it diffuses people's perception of how many people are in the audience. So if you have a slightly smaller crowd, it still feels quite busy. It also brings a warmth to the environment, and it enables the audience as well to focus much more tightly on the stage and the work that's happening there. So a lot of thought and a lot of recommendations came via Hussey to achieve all of these things. I feel very pleased that we are hitting, if not every single one of them, but a good proportion of it for our customers going forward.